Okay, so this is the part 2. Nakat yung video natin guys kasi hindi ko pala na-delete yung permanently delete yung mga previous videos. So nasa siya, trash. Ito. Alright. Balik natin dito. Let's see. Oops. Isimulan natin ng yan. Sige nga. Alright. And let's see if this will work. Plug in, power on. Oh yes. Oh, come on. Think I need to put this back on first. This one and this one. Alright, plug in, power on. Let's see. Alright. So still there is no response from the LCD. Oops. Does not power on again. What happened? Yun, namamatay siya guys. Alright. So what is the next steps for this? Okay, ganito. Tinagal na natin yung power. Ito, yung kanyang CMOS battery. So tanggalin natin, then ito i-ano natin, i-jump para ma-reset. Okay, 5 seconds and that's it. Balik na natin ulit to. Let's see if there is a changes. Alright, plug in, power on. Ikot. Then yung ikot niya, ayun, nawala. And wala pa rin display. Gantayin natin, baka bumalik. Baka umikot ulit. Ayan, walang display. So if this is the processor, then this is the graphics. So possible yung graphics IC ay may problema. Ang init na graphics IC oh. Ang init niya oh. Sige. Okay, let's remove this. Let's put it into other slot. Then plug in, power on. How can we determine if the problem is on the RAM or is the RAM or the problem is on the board. Okay, so simple. If you have other RAM, so you can replace this one. So this is 2 GB PC3. Yeah, PC3. Right. Yan, inuubot tayo guys. Ito, meron tayo dito mga stock na RAM. Let's see. Let's try this one. This is also 2 GB PC3. Alright. Then, same procedure. Let's clean this first using our eraser. Alright. So this RAM is functional. So let's see. Plug in and power on. So same problem, there's no display. Yeah, alright. The display on that. And this is 4 GB PC3L. Let's see this one. Let's check. Alright, that is the second time we replace. Then this is also PC3, and third time, so those memories RAM we installed are functionals, so meaning there is no problem on the memory or the RAM. So the problem may be on the board. Right, let's use this one. Plug in, power on. And still same problem. Alright, so I therefore conclude that the problem is on the board, not on the RAM, not on the RAM itself, but on the board. So the RAM is functional, the problem is on the board. BBD Graphics IC. So what's the next move? Alright. Let's unplug, remove the RAM. Alright. Let's remove this one. And So let's get flux. Where is the flux? So the flux is being here. Yeah, that's it. So let's put flux here. See that? So that is the graphics IC. So we will try to reheat, apply heat on this graphics IC, and let's see what will happen. So we're going to revive the life of graphics IC maybe. So in this case, yung mga problema kapag mga ganito mga matatagal na talaga yung mga laptop, so normally nagbabar down talaga yung kanyang graphics. So graphics, yan mga common problem lang guys. Let's see. Aha. Abot ba? Ayun, mainit na mainit na. Tingnan natin. Tingnan. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kainit yung ano natin. Yun. Buhayin lang natin yan. Ako. Init ko na. Grabe ang init nun guys. So hindi namin inabot yung kanyang processor. So hindi mainit yung processor. Okay, let's wait. So parang nire-revive lang natin. So parang yung kung sa tao sinashock, di ba? So ganun din yung ginawa natin dito. Antayin muna natin. Then let's see if there is a changes. Alright, so while we are waiting na lumamig yan, sige, check muna natin yung kanyang processor. Tingnan natin, baka yung thermal paste niya tuyong-tuyo na, overheating pala yung ano. So siguro sa tagal na din ito pwedeng mangyari yung guys. Let's see. Aha. Alright. So may silicone siya nakalagay guys. So but then yan, lagyan na lang natin siyang thermal paste. Let's apply thermal paste on this part. Alright. And that's it. So, wala kasi tayong tinatawag na thermal scanner. So, kung mayroon tayong thermal scanner, makikita natin kung ano ba yung pinaka-main problem nito. So, hula-hula lang tayo ngayon. So, nag-try na ako. Try natin mamaya sa external monitor. Alright. Oh, what's up? What happened? Alright. Okay. The display. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's see. Let's put that back on. Then this one and plug in. Let's power it on. Okay. Yun, sabi ko na sa inyo guys eh. 'Di ba? Sa graphics problem. And that's it. Very good. So yun lang, graphics IC nga yung problema guys. So there's no problem on the RAM, but in on the graphics itself. So what we do is we reheat the graphics IC, then after that it works. Alright. So how long it takes, hindi natin alam. Gaano ba to katagal? Gagana. So yun yung common problem na nito guys, ng mga ganito mga old laptop. Kapag yun, usually mga graphics talaga yan. Basta ganun lang yung simple explanation doon. And let's see. Long press to shut down. So ito, hindi muna natin ito bibigay kay customer. So i-observe muna natin siya within 2 to 3 days or even 1 week para at least makita natin kung may changes. Kasi mahirap kasi bukas bukas na bukas ibigay na natin kay customer. So magiging problema niyan, kapag nagka-problema, babalik ulit yan. Back job yan ang tawag dyan guys. Alright. Let's see. Power on. Yan. E machine. And start normally. Okay. Wala pala tayong keyboard. Yan. Second until the highlighted choose will be selected automatically. So start normally. So kapag mga ganito, Windows 7 operating system pa yan. Then that's it. Niloload na yung Windows 7 operating system. Alright, so ayun, nakakita naman ako ng Windows 7 operating system. Pwede naman itong i-upgrade guys, itong laptop na to, SSD, tapos yung RAM niya pwedeng i-4 GB, and yun, pwede na siyang i-Windows 10 operating system. Pero para sa akin, mas mabilis or mas maganda gamitin yung Windows 7 pa din. So kung ako tatanungin, mas gusto ko pang gamitin yung Windows 7 operating system compared to the latest. Yun. This is the best operating system of Windows. Yung pinakang talagang maganda talaga is Windows 7 operating system. And that's it. Wala siyang right click. Meron na ba? Right click. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. So hope you like this one. Hope you like how we solve the problem. Then, ayun. So, na-solve natin. Thank you so much. This is always your Kotek, Alan Tamarino. Peace out guys. Good evening.